I'm Mark. I'm with the Attic Doctors, and maybe you've thought, why choose us? Well, I've been in the business for 40 years, and I'm a licensed contractor, a C2, C20, which is an HVAC, air conditioning, and a B1 general. And because of that, I use the same crew that comes right along with me for the last 7, 8 years. They have been part of everything that I do. So my involvement going to the house with them is a package deal you can't dismiss. It is an excellent choice. We're very sincere, focused, and determined to do the right job every time. And customers love us. Yeah, it's not because of my stand-up or my history in doing comedy. It's because they love what we do. We're wanting to make sure we do the right thing every time. And that's all we attempt to do. We're there for you, and that's why you should choose us and pick us over everyone else, because it's me, the same crew who are the Michael Jordans in this business, and the customers love us. That should be more than enough.